Okay. Here we are. Time to get the day started. Creating the New York session. The Gur, town on the coast, just north of Barcelona. Beautiful day here. Today's gold chart. We have named Claudia. We name our gold charts here like we do our hurricanes. Here is the morning briefing. Let's go through it together. All right, New York session, chart name Claudia, still elegant, still slicing, treat her accordingly. So the latest news, U.S. weekly jobless claims fell to 236,000, showing strength in the labor market and supporting the dollar. Durable goods orders surged 16.4%, suggesting resilience in the economy. That puts pressure on gold, so gold might be going down for that reason. Today's PCE release, I believe, is around 8:30, right? Let's check that. PCE release is, yes, 8:30. And we also have GDP month over month is Canada. For the US, we have core PCE price index. We have personal income and personal spending, but those are less impactful bits of news. At 9:15, FOMC member Cook speaks, as well as FOMC member Hammock. And then at 10 a.m., New York time, we have the orange folder, medium impact news, revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment, and the revised University of Michigan inflation expectations. Both of those will have light impact, but we will be here for them. Okay, what else do we have? The macro mood, geopolitical headset on pause. The Iran-Israel ceasefire holds, no surprise risk flows. So hopefully there won't be any big surprises during our session today. Bottom line, the hard data supports the US dollar and the bond yields. Fundamental tailwinds for gold are quite low for now, so we're expecting gold to perhaps fall. Recently, we've been hovering right around the monthly pivot point, which is on the spot chart at 3283.53. I've taken a couple trades around there where I have burned. Traded the London session a little bit and did it up and down. So goal here, though, is not to revenge trade, not to try to make anything back. Execute my system, setups. Be cautious. Capital. Fundamental post is that the economy remains unexpectedly sturdy. Labor and manufacturing hold firm. There are no fresh fear catalysts. If anything, PCE will dominate the narrative. So we wait for 8:30 for that. And right now it is 7:21 New York time, 7:21 a.m. Here in Catalonia, it is 1:21 p.m. Beautiful day out. Gold is holding while global appetite risk is modestly firm. So we could expect the equities market to do okay today. The sentiment snapshot, the dollar is sideways but slightly falling. The US dollar strength is still intact. I guess we are at, where are we here with the dollar? We are at 97.225. Here on the bottom, we have the 1-minute chart. Here on the top, we have the 30-minute chart, so we can kind of keep an eye on it going on those couple of time frames. And here's the same thing, 30-minute chart on the 10-year US Treasury bond and the 1-minute on the bottom. Okay, here's the 5-minute spot gold chart. As I said, we are hovering right around the monthly pivot point. We are sitting just below the DS2. This is this little purple line that you see right there. This is some bull volume and some bear volume up here. I derived that from a chart prime indicator called swing ranges. There it is. Okay. This is the 1-minute chart, the same chart, which is sideways. Not very tradable unless you're into scalping. You know, what is this? I guess that is a maybe a 6-pip range, but I don't know. Just not easy to trade. It's a little bit like pulling teeth. In hindsight, it looks better than it does as it's playing out. Volume is low as we get to 8 o'clock and 8:30. It's likely to ramp things up. VIX has been creeping higher. No alarm bells. And FX Blue, what we have right over here on the right side of the screen, we see that the dollar is a bit stronger relative to gold, which is a bit weaker. Dollar is buying slightly, gold is selling. Looks like we are trying to break below the MMP here, so this might actually be a sell. Let's see what happens. What do we have? Not great conditions, but we're getting a little bit more volume in the market. So if that's coming up right now, if it takes some, finds some resistance and then pushes off of that to the downside, might be able to break this little support here and take a sell down this direction. Hopefully with a target here to the swing low, but we are in some support areas where we can see a little turbulence. While we wait for that to play out, let's bring up the report again. Yeah, we're recommending only trading A or A plus setups. Now this would be an A setup if it rockets down now, pushes off of some resistance that it will find there. That's a weird numeration. Okay. I get this wrong here. That is 8:30. All right, we're gonna get rid of that again. Read the news here. And we'll read a little gold news here. Gold decreased to a 4-week low of 32.82. Over the past 4 weeks, gold has lost 0.09%, and in the last 12 months, it has increased 41.13%. So that's nothing to sneeze at. Okay. While we wait for things to go here, maybe I'll direct your attention to the website, thebarcelonatrader.com, where we offer a free gold trading course. That's through my partner and trading mentor, Tono Miakoda, who may be joining us in just a little bit. And again, price is just hugging the MPP as it has been, for a long time. Yes, the 1 minute chart, but here's the 5 minute chart. Here's the MPP. And look, it's just been bouncing up and down and off of that and kind of wedging into it since, let's see, the first touch was about right here at 3:20 a.m. New York time. So for the last 4 hours, just been hugging that MPP, which made London trading very, very annoying. So let's see if we can get things to move from there. If it does, then we'll have some trades. If it doesn't, well, we'll protect our capital and not trade. Okay, we've got 1 minute before the 7:30 a.m. candle. Typically, when we get our session started at 7:30 a.m., it's usually when Tono joins me. But not always. Okay. Ten seconds for 7:30. Let's see if 7:30 brings us some volume. It's summer trading, so it's Friday. Fridays are usually good for profit taking, so there's usually some movement due to that. There it is. Look, all indications are that we want to go down, but we got disconnected from our broker there. There we go. Now I'm trading on a direct-to-funded account from Elite, and I am generally a spot trader. But since April 1st, I have been focusing on futures, and to do that, I have been passing some challenges from Elite Trader funding on the broker TradeOvate. So right now I'm trading a direct to funded account, which is a funded account. But simultaneously, I am also copy trading a number of one-step challenges. So I just want to be transparent about what we're doing here. Okay, nothing happening, but that's why. That's why trading can be pretty boring, even though, I'm scalping off of a 10-second chart. I tend to see a number of trading opportunities every day. Sometimes price isn't doing anything, there's just nothing to do. You can't buy at one price and sell at another price if price doesn't change. One of the reasons, not the primary reason, I trade gold. Well, the primary reason I trade gold is because my mentor, Tono Miakoda, that's what he taught me how to trade. And he has very good reasons for trading it. It is volatile enough that it moves enough typically every day to offer a number of good trading opportunities. It respects levels well. It's also difficult to trade. If you can learn how to trade gold, you can trade anything. If you can ride the gold bull, you can ride any bull in the rodeo. Okay, what are we doing here? Okay, we are moving below. We're getting some movement. So we might be finding ourselves in a selling opportunity. Either way, it's not moving much. Yeah. One should pay attention. Now, what happened was I wasn't paying attention. It went down. I FOMO'd in. And now I'm regretting it. But I do believe we're coming down. This is how not to trade. This is not elite trader behavior. see if we can penetrate this swing low again and come down and at least let me out with a profit. If not, small loss. I may have to accept. Not a lot of volume in the market today. It's whichever direction price is moving, it's moving in that direction slowly.
Good, man.
Hey, Tono.
How you doing?
not so well. I'm gonna sell
Okay,
at it's 130 against me right now.
you just got in.
Yeah. How are you doing?
Good, just still a little off, but I'm gonna push through it today.
There's not a lot of volume in the market right now.
Yeah, I can see that. It's like looks like nothing. It looks a nice drop.
Yeah. I'm afraid I FOMO'd into this.
Let me look. It looks like it's gonna come through it.
Yeah, I think so.
Look at the Rinko. Rinko's just testing this little tiny resist, this tiny support area.
Yeah, I've got this support on the 1 minute Hakanashi though that I got to get through.
Yeah, that's the same one. Let me see. The
There
one,
you go. It's on
five
30 negative
second,
now.
10. I think it'll come through it. Let's see.
Looks like it wants to.
It's on the 5 minute too, but the wrinkles look like it wants to come down. Yep.
There it is. I'm just gonna take the 20 because that was too dicey for me to be in.
Yeah. You got out right on time.
Yeah.
You know what I've been using? I've been testing out with the Rinko, a 1 second chart.
What do you mean?
A 1 second chart kind
Yeah.
of does the exact same thing the Rinko does.
Yeah.
You know, you can kind of tell where the market is going to go based off the 1 second chart in the Rinko.
Hmm. Is there a reason to use them together? Oh man, look, now it's going down. Should have stated that.
It's coming down to the bull volume on the 10 second and the
Yeah.
10 second now.
And the 5 minute. Got a bull volume too.
Mhm. Then it goes right back up.
Yeah.
My WS2 is at 32.75, so just a couple pips above it.
Yeah, mine's at 130. Yeah. My WS2 is at 3274.43.
And as you can see where it turned around at 76, so
Yeah. Yeah.
it's holding. That's a 5-pip reversal.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Maybe I should have bought. You ready to roll?
Yeah, I'm trying to get my trade station back up right. Playing around with it. Let me take a sell.
One minute before the 8 o'clock candle.
Out of it now.
it is. I was doing some research,
Hmm.
and according to what I can find, and also ChatGPT estimates, that the number of people in the world who are competent gold scalpers like you,
Hmm.
or like I'm becoming,
Hmm.
number only in the hundreds.
Are you serious?
Yep,
What?
yep,
I kind of believe that. You know why? Because when I was trying to build this thing with George, he kept saying, "Well, why gold? I mean, why gold? Why don't we just trade everything?" I said, "No, man. I said, I don't want to trade. I've done that 10 years, you know?"
yeah,
He was like, "Yeah, but I mean, we're shorting ourselves by not taking other currency." I say, "If you want to do other currencies, you can. But I spent the last 10 years, you know what I mean,
yeah,
doing this. He couldn't like, And then one day he came back and said, "I see what you mean by gold." And now this guy's been trading before me.
right,
You know what I mean?
yeah,
And they just overlook it for some reason, I guess.
yeah,
You know, they seem to kind of overlook it, and you know, so I can see why most people stay away from it.
yeah. Well, just the level of, there are other gold traders, gold scalpers, swing traders, things like that, but like scalp at this level that are competent hedgers, able to take 100% of the account out every month, just
Well, I didn't
to,
do it this month. I don't think I did it this month because I kind of set my system was so fucked up. I was just hesitant on doing a lot of trading. This the first
yeah,
month that this happened to me.
yeah,
You know
yeah,
what I mean? So I'll be
yeah.
back for July because now I got everything running like clockwork again. You
That's
know,
great. That's great.
but yeah, this it was throwing me a loop this month, man. No matter what I did, the system just kept freezing. I was like, this is unbelievable. But it hasn't frozen ever since I moved the two accounts over to Tradeovate. Not Tradeovate, Trade Locker. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So that's kind of strange, right?
yeah,
Maybe it was just one or two MetaTraders too many running on my system,
right.
or it was Ox Security.
Right. We have news at 8:30.
Okay. I'm waiting for one catalyst, and I'm gonna jump out of that sell on your account and ride it all the way back up. You know what I mean, with profit.
Yeah.
It's got $1,100 in profit running right now. I'm just not sure if it's finished falling. Hmm. We're in the blue box on the 1 minute. We got support on the 15. And I don't know what the 5 minute looks like it wants to do. There's no clear direction at this point.
London was brutal because the price just hugged the MPP the entire session.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
32.82, huh?
Yeah.
Looks like it wants to hug it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna have a problem with Trade Locker because it was such a 10-minute, 10-second delay getting in and out of trades.
Right.
They fixed it. Now it's like simultaneously, boom, out, in, out. You know?
Yeah. You caught them.
Huh?
You caught them.
Yeah, I caught them. Yeah. Ain't that something?
Yeah.
I was like, they sneaky, man. It wants to go down.
Wants to go down. Yeah.
We're back down to that little support line.
But look at the
The Ringo.
the weekly pivot.
Yeah.
It's got big support there.
Mm-hmm.
Might go down here. You gonna sell?
There's a swing low on the 5 second and the 10 second. I don't feel comfortable with. See it? It
Yep.
just bounced off of it.
Yep.
Right. And it's the same. Let me see if it breaks it. We can go. I think we could do it because the wrinkles still look like it wants to point downward.
Definitely more volume coming into the market. You can see the wrinkle
Yeah.
moving quickly.
Yeah. I just need to see it break that because it bounced right off of it.
Yeah. There it goes. Like 220. you get in? I think your mic's muted if you're speaking.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got out at 250. That
Oh,
was a
nice.
good call.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like all you need is like 2 or 3 of those trades for the day.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Nice,
Yeah.
clean, easy trade. Full of teeth. You know what I mean? Just the setup was right, and you just get in, take the 250,
Yep.
do the couple of those. You're good for the day. You don't have to sit around and bang your head up against the wall.
Exactly. We hit some big support here on the 5 minute Hakanashi and the 15-minute
Yeah.
Hakanashi.
Yep. 76. Yeah.
You're right back.
Yeah. I just took that trade when you said I'll be right back and made 180 bucks on it.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. I'm just running with the trend for today, man.
Yeah.
Even though
Morning,
some,
gents.
hey, Rock, there was some nice buy trades that we could have taken.
Yeah. Hey, Rob.
How you doing?
Did Mary get that email from Plexi? Do you know?
No, I just asked her. She didn't.
That's strange. Okay, we'll have to resend it. They normally respond within the same day, if not the next day.
Mm,
Was it yesterday I was on with her?
yes, yesterday.
All right, we'll give it today. My days blend together, man.
Wow.
I had a couple of good trades already today.
Oh, nice. Very nice. Yeah, it's coming down considerably.
Mm-hmm.
It has.
Stayed below that what is that? WS2,
Yeah.
3275.
It breaks the support again. Like on the 1 minute. COMEX open in 1 minute.
Man, on this one. You said Comix opens in 1 minute.
Yeah, in
7 seconds.
yeah, 2 seconds. There it is. Tried to fake us into that sell.
Hmm.
Are you buying any of this, or are you just waiting for the?
I'm trying to wait to see what it wants to do because I
Yeah,
don't know if this is a reversal for the day or if it's just going up to, people
right,
wiping out stop losses.
right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Even though it's a nice run, it's against the trend, so I don't really want to play it.
yeah.
I'm up $510 already,
Wow.
so I don't want to lose that. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
We play it real safe, even though this is a beautiful run. Gonna lie, the wrinkle is perfect. Everything on it was perfect. But that's how they get you. I think I would just stop loss hunting, man.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know, I mean, it is possible it's a reversal because it did drop 50, 55, 50 pips more. You know what I mean?
yeah. Well, it also depends on what the news here is going to be.
Yeah.
Yeah, it dropped from the point of control, 33, 32, all the way down to where we are.
Yeah. Wow.
Good. You put me a little bit here. Yeah, in the door. Thank you.
I was about to say, if this doesn't start dropping, this is a reversal. But now it looks like it wants to come back down. Not.
Okay.
News in 3 minutes and 15 seconds. All right, DC. I kind of think this is going to be um, good for gold because I think the inflation has been coming down despite everything.
Right.
What's the saying? You get 3 economists in a room, you get 5 different opinions.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
1 minute. That's not. All right, you call the entry, Tono.
Okay. Let's see what it wants to do. We're at 91. We're 90. What does that mean? So we're right. We're at 80.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yep.
Oh, they're going down.
One down.
Well, let's see first. It hasn't really come out. Good for dollar. So it's inflationary. Inflation. So gold down. Unless it's already just ready to turn around. Ready to sell?
Where we at? 77. 75 is kind of in the way. That WS2. I mean, you can sell down to it if you want, but lost his volume for some reason. All right, it's on the WS2. So if it
Yeah.
breaks it, we can probably sell it. Even though there's support,
Well, 1
I think it's
minute.
gonna run.
Yeah.
That 1 minute on the fifth, it's the support on the 15 minute that's holding it in the 5
Yeah.
minute,
Yeah.
keeping it from going down. Are you up for the day?
Yeah.
That would have been a fake out.
Yeah.
I really don't know how people trade without pivots, man.
Yeah. Did you see I wrote a thing about that on the blog?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
saw a
When'd you write that?
couple
Uh,
of days ago, I think.
I wrote it a couple weeks ago, but I just had it queued to go out soon, or to
I
go
have to
out
go look
the other
at it
day.
then. Yeah, I need to go look at it.
And I wrote one about the fixed range volume profile as well.
I read the one fixed range. Actually, I read the pivot one too. Now that I'm thinking, they were both good.
I imagine it's pretty risky to put in a sell at this point.
Yeah.
You could
How
probably
slow
sell it
can it
down
go?
to 75. You know what
Oh,
I
okay.
mean? I'm
Yeah.
sorry, what I mean. Yeah,
But I
yeah,
wouldn't sell until it's going that direction.
yeah.
Well, just in general, it's so far down at this point. I don't know how much lower it can go.
Oh, it can go.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember when it was at 2,300. So yeah.
That's right. It can go.
I, yeah. It can go. That's funny.
Yeah. I'm telling you, Mike, the Rinko and the 1 second chart are doing identicals.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy. So the Rinko's basically they're almost identical. It's almost I'm almost looking at the Rinko in a 1 second for entry and exit only.
Hmm. I'm ready to jump in a sell here. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Motherfucker.
No, it's coming down. I'm so confident. I'm just gonna get in with you.
You probably got a better entry. I'm 130 negative right now.
You are?
Yeah.
I'm in positive. So you're still negative?
I'm neutral, right? 60 negative, 40 negative, 30 negative. God damn it.
It's just playing games with us. Negative. I think it'll come down to the 68, the DS3. Stop playing fucking games.
Picked a bad place to get in.
You just got in at the low today.
But come on.
I think it's still gonna come down. How negative are you?
200.
Okay. We can break this 72. You'll be all right.
Something, I don't know. It doesn't feel like it's going to come down. What are you thinking?
Um, where we're at 73. It just needs to. It's hovering. You know what I mean?
But it
How much
feels
are you
like
negative?
I'm 220 negative, but I don't want to get myself into bigger trouble.
Right.
It just doesn't feel like it wants to come down. It feels like it's got helium in it.
I don't know, man. If everything is pointing down, you know what I mean? The 15-minute chart is still down. The 5-minute chart is down. Even on the 1 minute, it's inside the box is pointing down. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Um, I mean, if you want to get out, you probably should. You know, your gut feeling tells you to get out, but I think when you get out, it probably come down on you. But you gotta take it, take the smaller loss. You know. You said what? How much were you? 200?
200 down right now. 210.
I mean, if it gets down like 100, I'd probably get out. You can make that up easy.
It's 90 now.
I
30.
just feel it's coming down. I mean, here you go.
Okay. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. I thought it was going to give me more than that.
It will probably come right back down.
God, mother fucking damn it.
It'll give you another chance, Mike. Don't worry. Just get out when you see the profit. Don't try to get greedy on how much you want to get.
Yeah.
Remember, you were trying to just get out with 200 loss. Take a
Yeah.
$10 profit. Trade the next trade. Here it comes. Got out with a small profit.
Yeah, I took 40.
Hey, there you
Nice.
go. Better than a $200 loss, right?
Yeah, no, thanks for walking me through it, talking me through it. I was losing my nerve there.
Yeah.
Now,
If you just look at it, look, it wants to come down. Look at what the wrinkle is doing right now.
yeah.
You know, it's
Are we selling again or what?
let me see. No, because the DS3 is at 68. So I want to see some momentum in the market before I jump into a trade.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We were at 70 just a second ago. That's only 2 pips.
Yeah.
And it could flip on you in 2 pips easy and go right back up. And you be in the same trade you just got out of. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Let's look for some momentum, some real nice movement. I got to jump off for a second, all right? I'll
Okay.
come back on to you.
Okay.
I'll stay on. No, I don't know if this is going to allow me to. Yeah, I'll come back.
Um, having one of those days of rock where I'm just not psychologically sharp.
Yeah, I've had about 2 weeks of that. Yeah, it's not fun when you're not feeling
When when your
confident.
confidence flags, it's just
Yeah,
so hard.
yeah. I didn't really know what that meant until I knew what it meant.
Yeah.
That was, I mean, and it's still going. I mean, for me, like it's still,
Yeah.
so it's gonna take a minute to recover. I feel like,
Yeah, it does. And then the pendulum swings the other way. You get going again, and even subconsciously, what I've noticed is, I'm having some good days, and even though I'm telling myself, hey, I'm just going to be cautious. My plan is working. I'm not going to overtrade. I'm not going to revenge trade. I'm not going
yeah,
to
yeah,
all of
uh-huh,
these things. But then I'll sit down, at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'll see a move, and I'll think like, well, that's an A plus setup. I'm going to go ahead and take it,
yeah,
and it'll go in my favor. And
yeah,
I'll think, oh, okay, well, maybe I just need to incorporate into my rules is, if I sit down at 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I see a strong move, I'll take it. And so I start modifying my rules a tiny bit. And
yeah,
then the next time that's 2:30 here's a good move. And then when there's no volume in the market, it doesn't move.
yeah,
And then it goes against me, and then, it screws me.
yeah,
And I realized, oh, I just got lucky with that 3 o'clock move the other day.
yeah.
There happened to be volume in the market. And
That,
so when you're doing well, you start telling yourself that you can break your rules a little bit.
right. Yep. Yeah,
And,
yeah, yeah.
and it's this little backslide it just creeps on you until you realize that, oh, and then you get burned again, and then you're like, I've been breaking my rules.
Yeah.
And then there's nothing worse than,
Oh
you're up.
man, I was so jittery. I can't even like I didn't want to place a trade.
Yeah.
I was like, when Tono says paralysis by analysis, I just had paralysis.
Yeah.
Just forget the analysis was clearly wrong.
Yeah. 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 And what's happened to me a couple times recently is I've had a good trading day,
Yeah,
and I'll take the last trade, and it'll be maybe an A minus setup, not the best, but then it
yeah,
will go against me and just
yeah,
ruin my whole day.
yeah.
My hot
Yeah.
stove exit is about $275.
Right.
And if it's a slow session, like a slow Asia session, I consider
Hmm.
it a good session if I'm up $300.
Yeah,
But then I do some boneheaded move and wipe out all my gains, and I'm like, and I just took a good session and ruined it.
yeah, yeah. No, I it's so weird. Until it happened, I had absolutely no doubts in my ability. I was so cocky about being able to do well with this.
Yeah, yeah,
That was just such a um, But I'm glad it happened because it's, no one is immune to it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's like a baby who starts walking and hasn't fallen down yet. It's like, oh, this is easy. And then,
Yeah.
and then bam. Like,
Yeah. And knocks out all your teeth.
right.
Have AB and Jeff been joining the
No,
Asia sessions? No.
apparently AB said that he hasn't been trading because he's, I don't know, got something going on with clients at the time that he likes to trade.
Okay.
Um,
Yeah.
but he says he'll be back, and then I think Jeff also said he'd be back, but hasn't been trading or something.
Yeah.
Tono says that Jeff takes losses really hard, so when he takes a loss, he'll sometimes just stop trading for a couple months.
Yeah.
But I also think he got mad at me, and I think he went away for a while because of
I
that.
don't really know what he got mad at. I mean, I
Yeah.
was there for it. I mean,
Yeah.
you got to be a little, seriously sensitive to get mad about something like that.
Yeah, I think so. But
Like unhealthily sensitive.
yeah, yeah.
You know?
Well, we all have our shit, so I don't
Yeah,
hold.
yeah, we all got that for sure.
Thinking maybe there's
Yeah,
another
yeah,
cell here if it breaks through. But wait a minute, where are we? Where are we? Pivot. We're coming up on the
yeah,
DS.
there we go.
Watch
Yeah,
out for the DS3.
yeah.
Watch out for the DS3.
Mhm.
It's
Yeah,
really-
but when you get back stateside, I'm gonna invite myself over and go over a few things with you.
yeah.
I'll bring a bottle of wine if that helps.
Well, that sounds good.
Yeah, okay, good. You like red or white?
Uh, there's a time for either.
Yeah, yeah. There is, yeah, yeah. But when it's really hot like it's been here,
Yeah,
it's white for me.
maybe yeah, or a dry rosé.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Where is that DS1? DS3 is at 67. Okay, we got a little bit to go, so we could breaks through here. This Tono took the scenic route back.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, this market just has no momentum downward. It's just
Yeah.
ranging here, and summer Friday. You'd think there'd be some profit taking, but maybe that'll happen here on the way up. Maybe it's gonna still early. It's not even 9 o'clock yet.
All right, that's true.
I have to send you a picture of my setup here where I am today.
Oh yeah, please. Oh, are you not in Barcelona?
No, we came up to the beach this weekend. Having some friends up to to the beach house.
Nice. There's a beach house.
It's so my setup here is a combination of my regular Barcelona setup because I
Uh-huh.
brought two of my monitors that I keep in Barcelona up, and then my
Uh,
mobile setup.
this is your view? This is
Yeah.
that's nuts.
That's
I
it. Yeah, right behind the chair here is this, this bookshelf that I'm looking out this way. That's
that's
the water and the yeah.
I condone this kind of behavior.
Right.
My God, that's wonderful. Take a dip, go back to
Yeah,
trading.
yeah, yeah. My wife's out on one of the chairs working on her laptop, and
Okay,
I think after trading here, I'm going to take a little nap, and then we're going to go for a walk on the water.
nice. Very cool.
So we're in a town north of Barcelona called Begur, Begur.
Okay, nice. Very nice.
And we go back to the city on Monday.
Gotcha. Is this something you rent?
Yeah, we
Sorry
rent
about
this.
that, fellas.
We rent this in the summers.
Had to work with Habib on the book real quick.
With AB?
Habib.
Oh, Habib. Ooh, look at this. Here we're going.
It froze. Why? Why now?
Did it freeze?
No. It froze for a second. It's good now.
Did I miss anything while I was gone?
No, nothing happened. Nope.
Nothing happened at all.
My MetaTrader is frozen.
Yeah, that's what happened.
Mine's been acting all right.
Oh, it's the 9 o'clock candle.
Ah, that was it. Yep.
Yeah. I think I learned so much by being on with you guys.
That's the
good.
point.
I just took a sell. I'm up $100. I don't know if you guys missed that or not.
You're so bad at calling your trades.
Yeah, I just jumped in it thinking that I thought everybody saw it. And I just realized I got to be a little bit more team player here. That was 220.
That's okay. I'm doing spot. I made it 2 pips or something. Or pip, maybe 2 pips. Yeah, 2 pips, close to 2.
All right, we're coming down to the DS. We passed the DS3. Uh-oh. You in, Mike?
No, I just got in and out. I took $30 because I was jealous.
Don't do that.
I'm gonna have to put you on beep so that when you press your button, it beeps like mine does.
It does. I don't understand why you don't hear it. It's
Okay.
loud. It's super loud in my ear.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's like order filled. I'm like, Jesus, I can't even turn it down.
Right. Well, that's in your headphone. Yeah. Because yeah.
You're talking without headphones then, right?
I'm talking without headphones, but because my computer is sharing sound, it's sharing the music.
Right.
It shares the beat directly from the computer.
Oh, that's
You're
why.
not hearing it through my microphone. Yeah.
Gotcha. I'll call it. I'll start calling out. Yeah.
I think I'm going to sell here. What do you think?
Um, I think we could. Where we at? 64. Yeah, I'm in. You're in?
Yep. What did I just do? I fucking bought. Yeah.
What happened?
I bought by accident.
Oh no.
That's all right. I got out. Took a $10 loss.
Should have stayed in it.
Yeah.
Did you get into the cell?
No.
I'm on the cell.
All right. Okay.
I don't like it.
You could have said that just a minute. Oh, there we go.
No, I still don't like it.
I took 80. I think. I think I took 80.
Take, still in it. 80, 90. Give it one more shot. All right, there we go. 170, 192. Took 130.
Time to buy. It's the reversal.
Oh, okay.
Yep. You get on here and you learn what to do from my blog and from Tono and what not to do by watching me.
I've got a cell that's a few pips away now.
Negative.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm on spot, but yeah.
Right.
This might be the reversal.
So on the DS3,
Now I'll probably come back down and let you out.
you up for the day, Mike?
Yeah, not very much because I started it down 300, but I'm up 190.
All right.
All of my accounts are above equity. That's about all I can say. This week has been about going below and above equity, below and above equity, below and above. I have not had a great week, despite the fact that I've been trading almost all 3 sessions.
That could be the issue.
That could be the issue.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
Your rule is, well, the rule is trade your session. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, I definitely have 2 sessions, which is New York and Asia, and I have my rules. But I've been
Right.
adding London to the mix, and London's different animal.
It is, huh?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Um, but the way that we've been trading since we started futures is breakout and trend.
Right.
And London maybe has one breakout and the rest is range
Yeah.
and a bunch of fake outs.
Well, they call it the London breakout.
Yeah, it's that one and that's it.
But have you noticed what time do you get on for London?
I get on London at 8 a.m. London time.
Which was 3 o'clock?
Yeah, well, it's 9 a.m. my time here.
Yeah, but if you watch the next time you want to go on London, go a
Yeah,
half hour earlier,
yeah, yeah,
and you'll see that sometimes you can get a nice move right before the open.
yeah, yeah,
They call the open the London breakout, but sometimes the move happens actually before the open.
yeah, yeah,
And you can make your pip in that one couple of minutes before
yeah,
the open.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm going to start doing because I've been, you know, taking advantage of the fact that London is an hour ahead of us here in Central Europe. So
I think we're going
you know,
down, fellas.
oh yeah. Who's in?
Just wait a second. Waiting on the Rinko to tell us what's up. Your fake out?
I
Yeah.
didn't get in.
I'm in. Did y'all hear me?
Yeah, I heard you.
All right. Oh, yeah, bitch. I have 50 profit and then it goes against me. It's all right. Come on back.
Think it will?
Yeah. There it goes.
Yeah.
It's 80. 110. You're out.
I took 40. Yeah, it went to 40, back to 10, back to 40, look back to 30, and then I clicked out and it gave me 40. But it looked like it was going to waver, so I was just like not up for that. I'm
And
not.
you got out too soon. I got 180.
Yeah,
So you
I
got
got
to
in.
stay in a little longer.
I got in after you too because when you said you had 180, it showed me 40.
Oh, okay.
So I'm not. I should probably call it because I'm not sharp today.
Well, I'm up. So I'll call it with you. You know what I mean?
Oh.
I
Yeah.
made my nuts. All right, let's call it. Everybody,
Guys,
good trading today, fellas.
Yeah.
pleasure. Thank you.
Yeah.
See ya. Well, wait a minute. I don't know what I'm doing Sunday night. Asia's late for me, so we'll see. But
Okay.
I'll see you for Monday New York session, if not Sunday night.
Cool. All right.
All right, guys.
You guys
See you.
take it easy.
Bye.